Hi, Barbara. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website, your own website, can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So they're not going to be handed out to multiple agents or playing the game of who pays the most money this month to get the most leads. It's yours. They're exclusive to you. And so first thing I want to point out, I'm glad to see that it shows everywhere on your Facebook that you're a somebody and that you're a realtor. So biggest thing, a lot of agents don't even have the fact that they're an agent on there. So I'm really glad to see that you're showing that. Congratulations on that. So that's cool. So Partners in Building, we go here, go to their Partners in Building page, we go to their website. So I have their website right here. So I don't know if you own this brokerage or if you are a partner or if you're just an agent working for these guys. But either way, a couple things we're going to talk about. The first is content. So Google loves content. Search engines love content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so keep in mind that, especially with real estate websites, with all the listing photos and the IDX feed, you have so much value in photos, and search engines read how they're saved. Well, the problem is, a lot of times when you guys upload photos to your websites, you just let it be saved as whatever the computer comes up with. So usually it's just random letters and numbers, and it has no merit as to how it was saved. So if you think about it like, hey, search engines are reading how I save my photo, if your photo is saved as download or the number 1 or a bunch of random numbers and letters, it's not going to help at all. So you want to make sure that you put good content and good keywords into your photos so that you can rank through your photos, especially with a real estate website. So very important. I went through a lot of these photos here are saved improperly. So very important to note that. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Nashville Realtors. We got Greater Nashville Realtors. We got Wendy Monday, and we have East Nashville Agent. Okay, Andrea Brewer. So I didn't see you here. So I actually didn't even see Partners in Building. And then if we go further down, Partners in Building, which is your website or the brokerage, isn't here on the first page anywhere. So this is where you want to be, and you can get there. It's not inobtainable. And so for the purposes of this video, I went through also, I didn't see Partners in Building even on the first page here, in any of these for the Google My Business page. So first of all, I would highly suggest getting yourself a Google My Business page for sure. And then we're going to use Wendy Mondays as for the purpose of this video. So this is what it's going to look like. She's in the second position, so there's a few things that she's doing right that I'm seeing that you can do as well. Reviews. So everybody knows the importance of reviews. Wendy has 31. We recommend minimum 25. So Wendy's obviously above that mark with a 5.0. So that's helping her out a lot. And she's definitely bringing in some money from this. But you can get there too. So we recommend 25 minimum reviews. And then, obviously complete your profile, address, hours, phone. I know a lot of realtors that work out of their home will use their brokerage's address for the Google My Business page. And if your brokerage has a problem with that, then you can just use your home address and hide it from the public. So if that is of concern, I know some people do have issues, some don't. But 25 reviews. Completed profile, you're going to have your website linked, and then photos. So photos are so important. We recommend 10 minimum. That's that number, 10 minimum. So obviously Wendy has many more than 10, but you're going to want 10 minimum. And then you're going to want all those photos to be saved with good content. Okay, very important. These photos at the bottom that Google does with the drive-by, Wendy has hundreds of photos, like a lot of photos here. So this is unnecessary, but we do recommend that you have 10 photos at least. And so the drive-by, this is what I was trying to find. This photo, which will show up, doesn't count. Okay, so you got to have 10 of your own photos. Very important. So that's it for the Google My Business page. The very last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. So anywhere that partnersinbuilding.com can be found, or anywhere that BarbaraAnn can be found.com, whatever your domain is, anywhere that it's at, it's going to give you a backlink. And so the Partners in Building actually has 577 backlinks from 37 referring domains. Okay, but this is a prime example that not all backlinks are created equal, because your domain rating is only a 33 out of 100, and you're not on the first page for Nashville Realtors. So this is what you have to keep in mind. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to get your backlinks from relevant sites and sites that aren't spammy. Very important. So if you own this domain, I would suggest going in and removing the backlinks that are not helping you and adding some that are. And then if you're going to just build your own, I would suggest doing your homework and making sure that you get good backlinks, not spammy and not irrelevant to what you do. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business and make yourself some more money and leads. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.